Hey, Paleo Nick here. I was walking by this tray of tuna the other day while at Costco, and I just couldn't pass it up. So we're gonna take this opportunity to do tuna two ways. The first way is gonna be an ahi poke, right? Kind of Hawaiian style, kind of Japanesey. Either way, it's gonna be a lot of fishy fun, so stick around for this one. All right, so I'm gonna start with this first piece. Just set this aside. And when I'm doing poke, I'll come and cut these are little sleeves, and I like to call these sleeve dividers. So once the sleeve dividers over here get really fat or thicker, I'll cut those away just because they're chewy. You can see that there's even one more there, so I'll cut that. Kind of set this aside, and then we're going to cut this into good sized chunks. Boom. That looks good, huh? We'll just come across. That'll be our start. We've got a bowl here. I'll just toss that in the bowl. So next up are 2 cloves of garlic. Just cut the little stem ends off there, just like that. And then I'll crush these with the edge of my knife. Kind of cut it up, like that. And then I'm gonna use some salt here. Maybe you've seen this before, maybe not, but we'll just use that as some grit. Make a little garlic paste. That way we're not getting any chunks in there. Nobody likes a chunk of raw garlic. Okay, so our little bit garlic paste in there with our tuna, and to that I'm going to add some sesame oil. Call that a tablespoon. Spoon here. There we go. And I'll just kind of start the flavor out while we prep the rest of the stuff. I'm going to get this in the fridge. Here we've got some seaweed salad. It's kind of fluorescent green. I just picked this up at the Asian market. There's got to be some sort of chemical in here that makes it this green. I think it's called green number 7 or something like that, but I'm not too worried. This stuff tastes good. What about that much? I would say volume, that's about a half of a cup. Sesame seeds in there. I'm just going to cut through this. One more this way. And then this is masago, or smelt roe, tiny little orange eggs. All right, then I've got a mini bundle of cilantro. We'll do what you might call a chiffonade. Just a fine little rag-like cut. Pull my tuna back out. Seaweed salad, let's go 2 scoops. Masago. Boom. Cilantro. This is where I love to get spicy. Boom. There we go. Probably a tablespoon and a half of sambal and a little tamari. Nothing over the top. This one's reduced sodium tamari. Wheat-free soy sauce. Boom. And then we've already got our sesame oil in there, so we'll just mix this up. Wait for the heat. Wait for the heat. Okay, it's there, but I like mine spicy. So we'll go a little bit more. Call it 2 strong tablespoons. There you have it. It's that simple. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to plate this up. So to plate this up, you guys, I've got some little sheets of nori, and I just bought these ones pre-roasted. I think they have some seasoning in them. I'm not worried about it. What's in there, right? There's probably a little bit of sugar, maybe some wine, or I don't know. Usually there's some rice wine in there. Let's this is the rising sun, because I think Japan is called the land of the rising sun, right? We'll put a little bit of this in the center. Okay. That's how I'd serve it up. Carry it out to the table. Good luck not spilling that one, but I think if we give her one final little drizzle. We started with sesame oil. We'll finish with it. Oh yeah. There it is. And just to see what it tastes like, how we do this. Little fork, little spoon. Just like that. Pop her in. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. Paleo Nick showing you guys how to handle some tuna. If you want to know what the second way from the tuna 2 ways is, you have to stay tuned for next episode. In the meantime, keep it paleo.